Hello world, I'm Jeremiah Daniel A. Regalario from the Philippines, and this is my final project for Harvard CS50x 2021 OpenCourseWare. My final project is entitled KPOP Next Big Sound, and it is a web application based on Flask with the framework of Bootstrap utilizing jQuery, SQL via SQLite, and also some JavaScript and CSS. So now, the purpose of my website is to help the K-pop community to keep on track of their engagements with their idols, and in order to also have a tracking of data analytics as well for myself. Now, let me show you the application by signing up real quick. So I'm going to create an account which I utilize SQLite again, just like in the finance. So now I am going to log in. And here's my landing page. My landing page is a social chart summary of 2021, wherein each K-pop artist will be shown, arranged which one performed better than the other. It is sorted, but you can still sort it depending on your likes on the chart and also by its name. And then we have here a short description of each chart, what are they about and how they were measured. And next, I created to separate HTML templates in order to show the breakdown of the tables utilizing the SQLite and jQuery. So this is a table that shows the performance of each artist per month. So this is the social metrics tally. And I also have a combined chart, which is the weighted performance of each artist in every month. So we have here also the total, but each user has the ability to sort it the way they want. And there's also a way to search for your specific idol here, and you can see you can prompt for the specific data that you want. And there's also a about here, which explains clearly about K-pop Next Big Sound. And as you can see, you can also change your password if you want, and there's also a logout button for logging out. So I haven't detail explained my web application due to the time constraint, but yeah, I really have fun with this. So this is CS50.